Good morning students, standard 5th subject जनरल इंग्लिश। आज हम करने वाले हैं असाइनमेंट 7 एंड और बट। एंड बट आर यूज्ड टू जॉइन sentences such joining words are called conjunctions. Read these sentences. He learned to read. He learned to write. We can join these sentences using an and make one sentence like this. He learned to read and write. सेंटेंस दो दिए, उसको हमें सिर्फ एंड से ज्वाइन करना, दूसरा कुछ नहीं करना। Now read these sentences. My father attended the meeting. My mother too attended the meeting. So we can join these sentences using and make one sentence like this. My father and mother attended the meeting. Sometimes we can simply join two sentences by using and. God made the country and man made the town. God made the country and man made the town. देखो आधे सेंटेंस ऐसे हो गए, आधे से दो को ज्वाइन करके करना होगा, आधे में से एकदम डायरेक्ट लिख देना होगा। Example 1. Join the following pairs of sentences using and. All Indians are my brothers. All Indians are my sisters. So, all Indians are my brothers and sisters. Tigers are wild animals. Lions too are wild animals. Tigers and lions are wild animals. Okay. It is my duty, I shall do it. It is my duty and I shall do it. That is my new car. I want to drive it today. That is my new car and I want to drive it today. Work hard, you will surely success. Work hard and you will surely success. Reading is a good hobby. Writing too is a good hobby. Reading and writing is a good hobby. Hari is honest. Gopal is honest too. Hari and Gopal is honest. Teach me English, I shall teach you French. Teach me English and I shall teach you French. Your hands are cold, my hands are cold too. Your hands and my hands are cold. Leela searched for her doll. She soon found it. Leela searched for her doll and she soon found it. Okay. Suppose that the two sentences to be joined are contrasted like this. It was raining. My clothes did not get wet. Such sentence can better be joined by using but like this. But it was rain, but my clothes did not get wet. बट से अभी सेंटेंस ज्वाइन करने पहले हमने एंड से किया. ओके, ये हुआ, लेकिन ऐसे ऐसे करके हम सेंटेंस बोलते हैं ना. हाँ, ऐसे. Example 2. Join the following pairs of sentences using but. I was late. The teacher did not punish me. I was late, but the teacher did not punish me. He is tidy. His sister is untidy. He is tidy, but his sister is untidy. Ice is solid. Water is liquid. Ice is solid, but water is liquid. Jan looked for the lost lamp. She could not find it anywhere. Jan looked for the lost lamp, but she could not find it anywhere. Radha dropped a saucer, it didn't break. Radha dropped a saucer, but it didn't break. He tried hard, he did not succeed. He tried hard, but he did not succeed. I love him, he hated me. I love him, but he hates me. Listening is easy, remembering is difficult. Listening is easy, but remembering is difficult. He ran fast, he missed the train. He ran fast, but he missed the train. I can give you an umbrella, I cannot give you my raincoat. I can give you an umbrella, but I cannot give you my raincoat. हो गया डन. Okay, now next. Example 3. Join the following pairs of sentences using either and or but. The colleges will remain closed tomorrow. The schools too will remain closed tomorrow. अभी दोनों दिए हमें पता, हमें खुद डिसाइड करना है कि इसमें एंड से ज्वाइन करना है कि इसमें बट से. ओके, इट्स नॉट डिफिकल्ट, इट्स वेरी इजी. The colleges and schools will remain closed tomorrow. Poor people came by buses. Rich people came in cars. Poor people come by buses, but rich people came in car. Robin Hood robbed the rich. He helped the poor. Robin Hood robbed the rich and he helped the poor. Mumbai is a capital city and Bengaluru too is capital city. Mumbai and Bengaluru is a capital city. Speech is good, silent is better. Speech is good, but silent is better. Okay, next. He is poor, he is honest. He is poor, but he is honest. There was an explosion. Nobody was hurt. There was an explosion, but nobody was hurt. Mangoes are juicy fruits and grapes too are juicy fruits. Mangoes and grapes are juicy fruits. Sudha is clever, her brother is dull. Sudha is clever, but her brother is dull. Stars have their own light, planets don't have their own light. Stars have their own light, but planets don't have their own light. Gopal is cheap, it is a very useful. Coal is cheap, it is a very useful. Coal is cheap and it is very useful. The tiger is our national animal. The peacock is our national bird. The tiger is our national animal and the peacock is our national bird. Swans are white, crows are black. Swans are white and crows are black. They serve tasty food, it is cheap too. They serve tasty food, but it is cheap. The houses in Konkan have sloping roofs. The houses on the plateau have flat roofs. ओके डियर स्टूडेंट्स, कंप्लीट क्लियर हो गया एंड वर्ड का यूज़ कहाँ पे होता है, कैसे सेंटेंस को एंड और वर्ड से ज्वाइन करना है. ओके, सो असाइनमेंट 7 आपको जनरल इंग्लिश की नोटबुक में पूरा लिखना है, अदरवाइज नहीं बनाई हो तो SW बुक में लिखना है. समझ के लिखना है कि कैसे एंड और वर्ड का यूज़ होता है, कहाँ पे कैसे सेंटेंस को ज्वाइन किया जाता है, वो सब ध्यान से देख के करना है. ओके, और हैंड राइटिंग मस्ट बी गुड. Okay, bye. Next video and next chapter.